In Maine, a DUI, driving under the influence, we call it operating under the influence, or OUI, is a criminal offense. There are a few states like New Jersey where it's considered a civil offense for which you're not going to be imprisoned for. But here in Maine, it's a criminal offense, which means you can go to jail, you can lose your license, and you have a criminal record which lasts forever. We have no expungement process for OUIs or any other crime. We have no way of sealing those records from the public. So if you are in fact convicted of the criminal offense of OUI here in Maine, you're going to have a criminal record forever. Operating under the influence, and it's called DUI or DWI or even OWI in some other states, but here it's OUI, means you're operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicants. And that includes legal prescription medications for which you're taking in accordance with the directions, as well as alcohol or any other chemical substance. We have a very broadly defined view on chemicals here in the state of Maine. In impairment, if you're operating under the influence, they define impairment as impairment to any degree, no matter how slight, as it affects your physical or mental faculties. So we have a very tough OUI law in here, and that means you can be arrested and charged with operating under the influence if you're riding your lawnmower on your personal property, if you're operating your motorcycle down your private driveway and you're under the influence, if you're in a parking lot driving in your car. It does not have to be on a public roadway, and it doesn't even have to be in what we think in the traditional sense of a motor vehicle.